This video is an introduction to our section on affiliate marketing with content, and we can
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
begin this because we've gone over SEO. So this you can only really do once we've gone over SEO. So now you know how to get traffic in relatively competitive niches. What I'm going to be showing you is how to use Google SEO, but SEO is very common and used everywhere. So like platforms like YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the English-speaking web. You're going to be able to use very, very similar content strategies on YouTube. Or let's say if you have a podcast or something else. Of course, it's going to be slightly different, but by and large, a lot of these content marketing strategies that we're going to go over in this particular section in the next videos, they're going to be applicable wherever you create content. And what I'll be covering is how to create content that ranks for SEO traffic, that when people come to that content, then you sell your affiliate products. One thing you can also do, in addition to what I'll be showing you, because I'll just be showing you a content strategy, you can also create product reviews. If you have products, if you can create product reviews on your website, on YouTube, that also gets search traffic. And then of course, after the product review is over, you can say, well, now you can get this product on my site or from some affiliate link of yours. So the product review strategy is an additional one that you can begin using once you understand SEO.